Go.
Jordan with Modern Roofing. We're at 51 Crossline Court. About to attempt a repairability video for Mr. Hughes. I'm going to be repairing this wind damaged shingle. You can see it's already got a crease in it. Here's the crease. This is where we're going to be manipulating 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6.
You're good.
That old shingle. We add in the new one.
Over that way. Yep. Perfect.
Alright, and putting the nails back in the holes where it came from.
All right, so as we can see, post repair, we have a tremendous amount of shingle bruising going on below where we put these nails in. Here's another one. There. Another spot here. Another spot here. Not only do we have that going on below, we also see a little bit of it up above here. Here. We got some creasing forming along here. It's a little hard to see because of the chalk, but you have a nice crease, very noticeable along the top here, there. We're gonna get nice close-up photos of that, submit it along with the video repair. It's a hot day. Obviously you can see some of the sweat dripping off. This is already starting to seal down. This is what a healthy shingle should do. Here we've disturbed the mat so much now it's never going to seal down properly. We got manufacturer guidance saying as long as no other damages occurred, these being consequential damages of the repair, it's appropriate to hand seal. In this case, we cannot hand seal as we saw both creasing, bruising, mat disturbance along this whole repair.